Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. A few friends recently said their voice control wasn't working, even after making sure it's turned on. Some people will also receive a pop-up window that enabled to turn on voice control. Whatever the case, today's video will show you how to solve it. Now, let's see the first way. Way 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Just like this. After restarting, you can go to voice control and try it again. Way 2. Reset all settings. To reset your network settings, go to Settings, General, tap Transfer or Reset. Reset. Then reset all settings. This also resets Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN and APN. If that doesn't work for you, there may be some iOS issues on your iPhone. Way 3. Use iOS system repair. Just open it to your computer, then connect your iPhone to your computer. Now, you can go to the next step. Click Start button. Here we select Standard Repair to fix this problem. Then download firmware and start the repair. Well, now you can check it out. At this time your mobile device will return to normal. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.